How you doing? I'm Jeff with Jess Lawn Landscaping. So getting ready to go mow grass this morning. So I was wanting to, now it's gone now. I actually got on here wanting to show you this bird. I guess it moved on down. There's a bird that always sits on this wire. I go to take my daughter get on the bus, and the bird always sits at this wire. See if you can see. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it from, it's so far away now, but it's sitting on that wire there. But it usually sits just above our driveway and looks towards the house here. But we've been here 2.5 years, maybe a little longer, and seems like every morning when she goes to get on the bus, it's sitting right there on that wire. So I think that's pretty neat. It's like it knows us or something. But yeah, I was wanting to show you that, but of course, by the time I get out here, it has moved, which it was there earlier. But hope everybody's doing good, and hope you're getting everything done. I'm thinking we should have everything done between today and tomorrow. So, all right, I appreciate you watching this. I appreciate if you check out some of my other videos. Thanks a lot.